Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to configure an Invite Tracker bot. First, you'll need to add the Invite Tracker bot to your Discord server. Simply visit its official website and click the Add to Discord button. During this process, ensure you grant all necessary permissions for the bot to operate smoothly. Once added, navigate to the bot's intuitive web dashboard to begin your initial setup and customize its core functionalities. Next, let's personalize your server's experience. You can easily configure custom welcome messages for new members, making their first impression a great one. Similarly, set up personalized leave messages to acknowledge departing users. For both, you'll select specific channels where these automated announcements will appear, ensuring your community stays informed and engaged with every join and leave event. A core feature of the Invite Tracker bot is its ability to monitor server growth. It tracks in real time who invited whom, providing valuable insights into your community's expansion. You can also view dynamic invite leaderboards, showcasing your top inviters and encouraging friendly competition. Additionally, the bot can monitor message counts for individual members, helping you understand overall activity and engagement within your server. Beyond basic tracking, the Invite Tracker bot offers several advanced features. You can automatically assign specific roles to members once they reach a certain number of invites, fostering growth. It also allows you to create and manage engaging giveaways with customizable requirements, like message counts or roles. Furthermore, a wide range of commands provides detailed server and user information, giving you comprehensive control over your community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.